Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, right click here, select run, and then type here regedit, then click on OK. Now select as. On this window we need to expand the HKey classes root. Before that, just select file and click on export and select the documents folder and type your backup and click on save. So we have just taken the backup of this registry editor, completed files. After that we need to simply expand HKey classes root, then find out .exe file, just scroll down and here it is. Just select it. On the right side, right click on default and select modify. Make sure the value data file name is exe file, so click on OK. Again just scroll down and find out exe file. Keep scrolling down, here you will get it. Then just select it. Again right click on default, select modify, and make sure the value data is double quote %1 double quote star. Then click on OK. Then expand exe file, then expand shell folder and select open folder. Again on the right side, right click on default, select modify. Again set value data as double quote %1 double quote star. Then click on OK and close this window. Now go to search bar, type here Windows PowerShell, Windows Defender Firewall. So click here to open it, and simply we need to click on turn off, on or off. Then we have to select these two options, turn off Windows Defender Firewall and turn off Windows Defender Firewall from public network settings and private network settings. Then click on OK and just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.